Welcome to Study Loop.
Okay, after the collision, the two objects stick to each other. So according to the conservation of momentum, we have that the initial mass times velocity equal to the after mass times the velocity after, right? So after the collision, the velocity becomes half of the initial velocity, which is going to be 1 meter per second. So this is the total energy after the collision. This is total velocity after collision. So the total energy after collision is only kinetic energy at the moment, which is half m total mass times v squared, right? And it's going to be equal to the kinetic energy, the potential energy. So the final potential energy, which is at the amplitude, right? So from this equation, you know that the amplitude is equal to V is equal to 1. Mass is 10, so 2m is 20, divided by 2 is still 10. So it's going to be mv squared 2 over k square root is 2 times 10 times 1 divided by 170. You may use your calculator to get the answer for the amplitude. And the frequency, angular frequency is square root k over m. So here the mass is 2m, right? So it's square root 170 divided by 20. So it's square root 17 over 2. And the frequency is 2 pi omega is 2 pi square root 17 over 2. Also, period is just simply 1 over. That's for question A. For question B, so after the collision, it starts to move from the equilibrium point, goes to the rightmost point, and come back to the equilibrium point, which would only take half of the period. So t equal to half of the period. So just take the number here, put in here, divide by 2, get the answer.